Dear Vertiv team, Namaskar. I know that everybody is taking care and staying safe at home and on customer sites and in the plants. Thank you very much for that. Ever since the start of this crisis, the leadership team and I have been coordinating every day to ensure that we continue to support our critical services customers, whether they're hospitals or telco networks or data centers, and ensure that we keep the nation running even during the lockdown.
Thanks to our colleagues for their efforts and initiatives in ensuring continuity of our operations in providing products, solutions, and services to our customer in this challenging environment since the outbreak of pandemic, while ensuring that the safety norms are adhered to.
Our response to our customers even in this pandemic scenario has been very significant in achieving our customer loyalty and improving our net promoter score. Thanks to the AWR supporting service team members both on-site and off-site who deliver their best even in the worst circumstances.
A special thank you to the finance team for stepping up during these times and supporting the entire organization to make sure that we meet our commitments to our customers and also to ensure business continuity.
We are under lockdown. We reached all our stakeholders in a digital way. We have imparted 17,000 hours of training to our engineers, customer engineers, partner engineers and various consultants, and that's still counting.
मुझे इस बात पर बहुत गर्व होता है, मेरे बहुत से साथी निस्वार्थ भाव से उन व्यवसायों की मदद कर रहे हैं जो इस समय हमारे देश के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी हैं। फिर चाहे वो कोई कारखाना हो या अस्पताल हो या कोई दूरसंचार केंद्र हो।
In engineering, which is going through a work from home schedule strictly enforced by the government, we have also been trying to contribute towards this by releasing new drawings, new designs every week. We have also done more than 5,000 hours of training across all LEBs for all partners and stakeholders.
Our factory at Ambernath was granted permission to start operations on 6th of April. We started operating with 34 staff from various functions working in the plant. It was a moment of cross-functional working which I will always cherish. Today we are at 165 operating all the LOBs to serve the needs of our customers. While we do this, we ensure that we maintain all the safety and EHS norms.
The last 1+ month, there's a lot of positive news that has happened. The product management marketing team have ensured that we work very closely using the e-platforms that we have today with our customers, consultants and partners and our internal sales folks. Over 15,000 hours of training has been delivered over the last 1 month to all our stakeholders put together. The marketing team is working with all the social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, to disseminate all the positive information about the good things that are happening in the last 1 month.
This would not have been possible without each and every one of you. So you're all heroes and must take great pride in your contribution during these difficult times.
I salute them for their dedication, hard work and skills to ensure business continuity.
We appreciate your customer always first approach. I wish you all the best.
A big thank you to the entire Vertiv India team.
We are receiving many acknowledgement and recognition for our support in this constrained period of operation. Big congratulations to Vertiv and big thanks to you.
I am sure with proper planning, execution and strategy, we will be able to bounce back higher and stronger as soon as the normalcy comes.
My sincere thanks to each and every associate, staff, temporary, contractor on the shop floor, to HR, admin and EHS teams, to all the employees and the management team to make this happen.
Thank you very much team, and thanks to all Vertivians.
stay safe,
Stay healthy.
and let's maintain social distancing.
And the most important, try and learn something new during this period of lockdown.
I look forward to catching up in person soon once the lockdown is lifted. Thank you again.